Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the heatsink and of course the fan from your HP Compaq laptop. Now whenever you are removing these 4 screws, you need to do them diagonally. The screws, they are numbered, so this is number 1. You're going to actually release it about halfway. Then you go diagonally across to number 2, release it halfway. Then number 3, release it halfway. And then number 4, release it halfway. Next, gonna go back to number 1 and of course unscrew it totally. 2, unscrew it totally. 3, unscrew it totally. And 4, unscrew it totally. Now when you use this method, you actually prevent the laptop motherboard from straining, because if you strain it, then of course some circuit will of course get damaged. So that is how you remove your heatsink and your fan from your HP Compaq laptop motherboard. So once again guys, please remember to click on the subscription button if you are new to my channel. Thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.